I'm Dr. John Davidson. I own Calso Physical Therapy and GSO CrossFit, and I've been working with Aaron for a year and a half almost now, because we met a little before I opened GSO CrossFit, and we've been knowing each other and been around each other ever since. I was interested in opening a cash-based clinic, but didn't know anything about it. And when I first found out about Aaron, he had all of the little niches and things that you needed to actually give me the skeleton to put together a full cash clinic. And so I did it, and I took that and I built everything with my clinic. And from that first moment that we met and we did that, it has absolutely blossomed off of that. It was crazy how we literally started with just the skeleton of this is how you do it, and then all of the influence and all of the tips and techniques to help grow from that point on has been unbelievable. The number one thing that Aaron has taught me has a lot of it, most of it has just been belief in myself and confidence to be able to take the leap and to pursue a clinic to be able to help people the way that they need to be helped. I would recommend Aaron above and beyond, mostly because he's doing it. And not only is he doing it, kind of doing it, he's doing it really well. And he's making strides and gains in his business and in his clinic. And it just makes it that much easier for him to teach and connect and show me what I need to do to be able to take my business to the next level. For those of you who are sitting on the fence, the decision is the magic, and there's no point in sitting on it. When you invest in what you're trying to do with Aaron, you're gonna get above and beyond in return. Get off the fence, make the decision, grow your business, and go to the next level. It isn't a question of how much it costs, it's you question whether it's worth it or not. And I can say unequivocally that it's worth every single penny, and you will be paid back 3, 4, 5, 10-fold of what you invest. It's 1,000% worth the money. Don't use that as an excuse because it's just an excuse. That's not the real reason. You're scared. You shouldn't be scared. It's worth every penny.